When accessing a course, at the top we can see several tabs. The syllabus tab shows the index of the course content, which are the different units and lessons that make up the course. Under the Properties tab, we can see the general properties of the course, title, description of the course, language, if we are going to share the course in a shared library, if the course is private or accessible to the whole website, as well as adding other users so that they can work on the course. Through the edit link that appears in the different sections, we can modify each corresponding section. Under the Objectives tab, the objectives that are given in all the exercises or activities of the course are shown. Remember that each exercise or activity of the course may have been associated in one or several objectives, which are those that are evaluated or practiced in said activity. Under the Review tab, the revision notes are shown which can be included in the course when reviewing it by the editors or reviewers of the course. A person could review the course and include the revision notes that they consider appropriate. From here, you could review these notes and make the appropriate modifications at each point. Lastly, from the Tools option, we have several commands that allow us to search for lessons or exercises, both in the current course in which we find ourselves and in all the Dexway courses. We can also generate the index document of the course, where the titles and descriptions of the different lessons of the course are shown, as well as the exercises that are inside each of them. The option Tools Clone Course allows you to clone the course, which creates a copy of the entire course with another name. Other options allow you to delete the course, move to another directory or folder entirely, or publish and export to your platform or LMS, which will then be available for the students to enroll and complete the course.